Cornelius asked about PRP. So PRP stem cells. This is a great question. I get this often as well. So PRP, in my perspective and experience, is it's not a very effective solution. And I think if you will go through the comments, I'm not sure. There's a lot of comments. If you just search the group for PRP, you'll see a lot of people that have had PRP and that haven't had great results. But he said, according to the doctors, it's the only real solution to hair loss. I have undertaken it for a year now, but honestly, I didn't have much difference except in my bank account. It costs like hell, and it hurts. It hurts like 100 pinpricks each session now. After 2 months of using Adegen, I feel like my hair is healthier, or I feel like my hair is thicker, and the problem area gets smaller. What is your advice? Should I continue with PRP, or is it a waste of time, or even worse for my hair growth? Okay, so PRP is not an effective long-term solution to hair loss because hair loss it's a hormonal issue, and our hormones are being produced 24 hours a day. And when you go to PRP, you're doing it, at such a wide interval that you're not going to, first of all, have results. And also because PRP does nothing whatsoever to stop the cause of hair loss. This is why Adegen is so effective. This is why it's so successful. It's because it's actually treating the cause of hair loss and not the symptom of hair loss. PRP is treating the symptom of hair loss, which is blood flow. So they're trying to increase blood flow. They're injecting platelet-rich plasma, which is blood, into the scalp. So no, I don't think it's effective. It's something that I do not recommend. It will not be counterproductive if you want to use it in conjunction with Adegen, but I honestly think that you'll have much better success using the Adegen protocol, and you'll save a lot of money, and it's much, much more effective. So I do not recommend PRP personally.